Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pearl. In today's vlogs, we're going to Raglan, New Zealand. It's a 2-hour drive from Auckland. Raglan is located on the west coast of New Zealand's North Island. Dahil nagutom na kami, nag-morning tea muna kami sa Raglan Wharf. So as usual, fish and chips. Uy, may dalawang poging naglalakad. Sa Raglan Wharf, pwedeng mag-fishing. A nice view and relaxing atmosphere while enjoying our fish and chips. We went to Manu Bay, also known as The Point. Manu Bay is one of the most famous surfing spots. Grabe, ang laki ng mga alon at ang daming nagsasurfing. You'll see unique shops selling handmade jewelry and surfboards, along with art galleries showing Raglan's creative community. Marami rin silang mga tourist spot dito sa Raglan. Hindi na sayang pagpunta namin dito. The views are beautiful, enjoying the quiet and the sound of the waves. It's like a little piece of paradise. And also, wave therapy can help reduce stress. Our next destination is Raglan Bridal Veil Falls, located in the Raglan area of the Waikato region. The exact location is Kawahia Road, Maku Maku. This stunning waterfall is 55 meters high, and the scenic reserve offers 4 beautiful lookout platforms to enjoy the view. Pasensya na kayo guys ha, kasi ni-reshuffle ko ang mga video. Kung may oras kayo para sa isang day trip na hindi masyadong malayo, I highly recommend Raglan. It's a small town but such an amazing place. Spread lang tayo ng good vibes ha. Bawal ang stress dito. Hinga ng malalim, inhale, exhale, tapos smile. Kahit walang joke, basta ngiti lang, okay na yan. Life's too short to be serious all the time, kaya chill lang. Sabi nga nila, kung di ka pogi, at least maganda ang attitude mo. Kaya tara, happy vibes lang tayo today!